When I was looking for a voltage converter, a transformer that's going to take us from 120 volts to 220 volts, I decided to get with this VEVOR 5000 watt. Now they make a 2000 watt also, but this one is not that heavy. It's 28 pounds, just over 28 pounds. It's about 10 by 9 by 8, so it's not a very big form factor. I think this is going to be good. It's going to work great in a Radio Shack, in an RV, in a command center or something like that. What we're going to get is we plug in a 3-prong outlet, a standard 3-prong outlet to the machine, and then it can run off a 220, but we're going to set it to 120. We're going to then get 3 standard 3-prong grounded outlets. We're going to get 3 220s to 240s, and these are in the European set. Then we get a USB-C and a USB-A. These are 5 volt, 2 amps. There's 3 different types of surge protection as well. So for me, this unit, hands down, was the one to get. Hope this helps. I want to thank VEVOR for sending us this one to check out. Really nice unit.